Let me start with the story. This story is for each and every student who is going to take the board examination in next few days. I am sure this story will give you a clear-cut roadmap to score 95 plus percentage in your board examination. The two main characters of our story are Hardy and Smarty. As names suggest, Hardy believed in hard work and Smarty in smart work. Both of them have totally different styles of working. They decided to compete for a race, and race was to reach at the top of the mountain where this temple with a flag is situated. जो भी इस मंदिर में जाकर पहले घंटी बजाएगा वो होगा इस रेस का विनर. So venue is fixed and time is also fixed. Sunday 8 AM. तो आज है रेस का दिन और हार्डी तो हार्ड वर्क में बिलीव करता है. So he started his climb at 7 AM. He thought starting early will be great. He will have an upper hand, early bird advantage. Now it is 8:30 AM. Hardy has covered a sizable amount of ground. Hardy turned back and he could not find Smarty anywhere. He thought Smarty तो lazy है, अभी भी वो अपने बिस्तर पर लेट रहा होगा. He must be still in his bed. So he thought in his mind that he is a sure shot winner. And Hardy continued with his hard work. Now is the real test. असली अग्नि परीक्षा. Sun is shining bright right over the head. Hardy is running out of energy. He is totally exhausted. He is finding out difficult to continue in the race. But वो तो Hardy है, आसानी से हार मानने वालों में से नहीं. He continued and continued with his hard work. Hardy पूरी शिद्दत से रेस को जीतने में लगा हुआ है, मगर अब धीरे धीरे उसका हौसला टूटने लगा है क्योंकि he is running out of strength, he is running out of energy, he is running out of the power, and he is totally exhausted. And he found that neither he can continue with his race nor he can give up. ना ही वो आगे बढ़ सकता है ना ही पीछे हट सकता है. बेचारा हार्डी hears मंदिर की घंटी. Alas, something strange has happened. When Hardy looks at the top, he finds that Smarty has already reached. Smarty is the winner. Smarty is celebrating, rejoicing, enjoying his victory. Smarty is literally dancing. Poor Hardy, in spite of hard work, has failed to win the race. Poor Hardy is a loser. You must be confused how Smarty has managed to win the race with less efforts, with less hard works, and without putting in extraordinary work. Did he cheat? Did he deceive? Did he fraud? Did he scam? Did he use any unfair mean? The answer to all your question is big no. Before the race, Smarty introspected and thought that temple is built at the top of the mountain, so there must be some easy way to reach there. So he started his research. He spoke to the people who have reached there and he found that there is an alternate way. There are ladders on the other side of the mountain to reach there. He took those ladders and managed to win the race and managed to reach easily and safely. What is the moral of this story? How this story is going to help you get 95 plus percentage in your board examination. The temple in this story is metaphorical. It can be compared to your goal of getting 95 plus percentage in your board examination. For this, you have to talk to the people, teachers and students who have been there and done this. This is the first step of ladder of your success. Talk to them, seek guidance from them to guide you. I have prepared this video and this video. You can watch it. I'll also put the link in the description box. See you all in my next video, which is based on question paper analysis and making correct timetable which will help you to achieve your goal. All the best.